I haven't got the jump tax account or anything, so I'm going to use my PayPal option. So let's continue to check the PayPal. Let's continue request payout. So we have sent you code for your email. So let's check my email. Yeah, I've got the email. Let's put the code. Paste here, submit code. Yeah, your 21.47 is on its way. Our payment partner Tipalti is now handling your sweet money in 48 hours. You will receive further instruction to your email. Okay guys, that's it. You can see here now in the actual balance. It will take around in 48 hours. I will update you guys. So after requesting for the withdrawal, I had to wait for 2 days, and I had one email, which is this one. Honeygain, dear Honeygainer, congratulations on reaching your payout limit with Honeygain. To complete the payout, you will be required to follow these simple steps. Register on the Tipalti Inc. portal by following this link. So this link, we need to click and make an account there and register and put the detail for account details there. Which I cannot show you guys due to security reason, but I had completed and take some screenshots so that I can show you here guys. So first of all, there are 3 steps, 1 2 3. I'm talking turn by turn. First of all, first step is you just need to select the individual, contact email, phone number, first name, last name, or whatever middle name if you got, and below you'll need to fill your home address, and after that you just need to click next, and there will be second step, which is you just need to select the PayPal here in the PayPal payment method, and currency I had selected GBP. It's depend on your own currency wherever you are in. You need to select your currency and email address, and there will be a term and condition here on the bottom below. So you just need to tick or accept the term and condition and just click next, and there will be another third step, which is you can see here done with the green tick. After that, that's all. You just need to wait for another 2 days to confirm the payout. So after this, completing the form in tipalti.com, I had another email in around 2 days, which is this one I think. Service PayPal Inc. Smart Byte Inc. has sent you 16.12 GBP. This is I had requested in dollar, but it's converted to GBP. This is including the I think handling fees 15% or something like that in PayPal. So this is the detail I had from the Honeygain. Also another email followed by Honeygain, you got cash in PayPal. So let's check in the paypal.com. I got 16.12 pound, which is from the Smart Byte Inc. as per their email. If I click this one, paid by payouts at honeygain.com here, so you can see here it's from the Honeygain. Actually it's paying, however this is a very legit and paying site, but it's not, you can earn faster than other similar kind of apps. So I can show you as a proof in my dashboard here. You can see here in August 2021 first payout, which was in around 3 months, 4 months around. Another January 21st, which is September, October, November, December, January, which is in 5 months. But after that suddenly 2 devices in under one Wi-Fi or under one network, that's changed to 1 device, and also everything payout is very little. It's like water dropping. So to reach the 20 USD, you'll need at least 7 to 8 months or maybe around 1 year time. And you can see here in my actual PayPal transaction history here, you can see January 21st was the second withdraw time, and you can see here September 22, which is February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. It's around 8 months, guys. In 8 months I could make 21.47. so think it yourself, guys. This is legit, however it's very slow earning. That's my honest review, guys. So that's it, guys. See you in next. If you like this, just give a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye bye.